Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. Back by popular demand is my Nutcrackers, and one of you have suggested to make one small enough to fit in a tree or be an ornament. So if you'd like to see how I did that, keep on watching and let's art today. So first I'm taking this home decor sign that says home, and I am just going to be using the back of it. So I'm trying to figure out how to lightly push the back out without breaking it, and it comes off pretty easy with a little bit of pressure. And just like that, it pops off easily. Now I am going to save the home part of the sign for a later project, but like I said earlier, I'm just using the back of the piece. So I am going to remove all the paper, or try to remove all the paper from the front of the sign, and then I will be taking a sandpaper and sanding it down both front and back. After I'm done sanding, I'm taking some masking tape and I will be sectioning off where everything goes, his hat, face, and body. I'm pretty much doing the same thing as I did with the first Nutcracker. If you missed it, I'll be sure to put a link here up on the right hand corner for you. Now I'm taking my black acrylic paint and I will be painting the bottom of the sign, which are going to be his boots. Next, I'm going in with some grass green acrylic paint, and that will be the color of his hat. After my first layers of paint are dried, I'm removing the tape and replacing it so that I can work on different sections of the Nutcracker. To make the Nutcracker's face, all I am doing is taking brown acrylic paint and white gesso paint and mixing it together. I usually do 2 coats of paint for each section to get the most opaque look. I will now be painting the vest area in all acrylic white paint, and I did miss a spot where the face and the vest meet that I will fill in at a later time. Once again, I'm using some masking tape to separate the two ends of the vest, and I'm going in with the same green that I used earlier, and I'm applying 2 coats of that as well. Now I'm just removing the tape, and as you see here, here's a piece that I forgot to paint, but I do fill it in with white acrylic paint. It's time to draw on his face features, and I go in with a pencil and I sketch everything out first, and then I go in and fill everything up with acrylic paint. As I am coloring his eyes and face, if you could please take this moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to click on the bell notification. There is a drop down menu to click all so that you can always be notified when I upload new content. I would love to have you here and be part of my virtual art family. As I am doing that, the question of the day is, what is your favorite Christmas meal? Ours would have to be the ham that we cook every year on Christmas. Is the best part of our Christmas meal. I would love to know, what is your favorite Christmas meal? Leave me a comment down below. To make his boots, I'm going in with some gray acrylic paint. I'm drawing a line in the center to make 2 boots, and then I will be making the boot tops by making little arches on each side. Then I'm going in with my silver acrylic paint pen, and I'll be making up his laces by creating little dots and then making an X. Now that he is all painted, he is getting ready to be decorated. So I have some of these pom-poms and glass fillers, and also this tubing from Dollar Tree. I'm taking some of that tubing, cutting down 3 strings to act as his vest holder, and I will be gluing them in the center of his jacket. I'm just going to be adding some more hot glue to the ends of the mesh tubing so it holds it down in place. Now I will be taking some red pom-poms and hot gluing them down on each side of that mesh tubing so it could be his little red buttons. Now I'm taking some of this green ribbon that I had on hand for quite some time, and I'm going to be hot gluing it above his boots. Just add a little bit more detail to his outfit. Now I'm taking that same ribbon and applying it on his hat, hot gluing it down using my hot glue gun. And lastly, I'm just adding 3 more red pom-poms to his hat to add another pop of color and more detail to his overall look. And since this is an ornament, I am adding a ribbon onto the back by using hot glue and a little bit of tape to hold it in place. And here is how the final Nutcracker looks for your tree. Isn't he adorable? I just love it. It came out so cute. It'll be perfect for any tree or even a little decor piece for your home in a little corner area or with anything you like. Thank you so much for suggesting this, and if any of you have any other suggestions that you would like for me to do, just leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say and suggest. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love for you to be part of my art virtual family, and if you can please also hit that thumbs up button, it really does help my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy holidays!